Denn wir wollen ja endlich mal vorwärts kommen. Bumm, geht's weg. Ist eigentlich in unserer Garage noch was drin hat? Tatsächlich. Cool.
Just a little bit of party. I heard you was down, so I got a gift from B-Dub.
Come on now, I can't do that.
Come on, sweet, come on. Make sure you enjoy this. This is a rich man's high. All the players are doing it. I know you're gonna enjoy this. It takes the pain away.
Oh yeah?
Oh, what the hell you doing?
Shit. Man, everything is KKK. Man, I just want to see what's so good.
What's wrong with you, man?
Man, this shit already destroyed the whole hood. I might as well let it destroy me too.
Man, you don't need that shit, sweet.
What do you know about this? This is what it boils down to now.
Come on, sweet, soak the smoke.
Hey, man, that shit steal your heart. You can't see that? This bitch talk nice to you and this what you
Oh,
do?
fuck.
You're gonna have to deal with B-Dub.
What? Beat up? We can handle
Ow,
that shit right
get
now,
your hands
then.
off
Get your
me.
ass out of here. Bitch.
Don't push me.
So, wir gehen zu B-Dubs Haus. Das ist scheinbar der Drogendealer.
Bruh?
I'm tired, man. I'm real tired. Tired of putting in the work and still shit don't get better. Tired of seeing my family fall apart.
Sweet, man, you got more heart than that. Sure, things are screwed up now, but we finna turn a corner, man. The day is coming when the Johnson family will be at the top, and it's coming real soon.
I hear you, CJ. You're there for us. I know that.
So, B-Dub wohnt da gleich im Dicken. Und zwar da drin hat in dem, ja, in dem, was nie, Wohnblock. So, Muni haben wir vielleicht nur, wir haben gerade keine Westen. Aber wir werden das schon irgendwie überleben.
Hey, beat up! Open up!
Beat up!
Hey, open the door, punk!
Fool!
Yo, Dup ain't here. Moved out a while back.
Where'd he go,
Yo,
dickhead?
yo, you messing up the cat's colors,
Speak
dude.
up, fool.
Yo, I got some, a little something, just what you
And I don't
need.
want none of that shit.
No, no,
Split your
no.
wig right
Sweet,
now.
no, you tripping, man. Come on, put the gun down. He a base head, man.
Shit, he wearing family colors. That's supposed to make him somebody.
Look, fool, tell us where beat up is, and we out of here.
He live over on Glen Parkaway. His boy always there. Give a cat what he needs.
You lucky.
Ach so, der gute Herr ist umgezogen. Moment einmal, wir
Oh,
kannten...
man, Glen Park.
Moment einmal.
Heart of Kilo Trades country.
Fuck it, I'm down. And that fool had it coming too long. We'll take the whole neighborhood apart.
Yeah, let's roll.
Saying,
Hoppala.
hey, I'll have that now.
Eigentlich wollte
Keep
den,
him ringing. Back
eigentlich
off.
wollte den ja, einstellen, dass er uns hilft, aber irgendwie hat es nicht gekaut. Na ja, gut.
Hey, dude, keep up.
Geh her da. Du nicht da hinten. Was auch, wo ist denn der jetzt? Da wo das Symbol ist.
You wanna get bust on?
Da wird's aber gefährlich, oder? Wir sind nämlich im feindlichen Gebiet jetzt. so, wir sind
Ballers hard.
Johnson
das
boys
Gebiet
rolling
erobern.
through.
Ja, das kann ja lustig werden. Ohne Westen.
Hey, over here, come on, keep up.
Da vorne sind ein paar.
You want some lead in you? Huh? Shut it, boy, give me that grip.
So, einen Bandenkrieg haben wir provoziert.
Them fools need to get dealt with.
Jetzt müssen wir gerade noch überleben.
That's mine.
Ach du Scheiße.
What you think now?
Kollege, ich hör's.
Fools.
Ja, die erste Welle haben wir überlebt. Da kommen aber noch zwei. Und wenn ich mich nicht täusche, gibt's immer
That's going in my
eine Westen, die
retirement
rumliegt.
fund. You wanna get some, huh? Kill them homeboys. Go blast them fools. Oh!
Kollege, ich hör's.
Hey, pay a nigga. An idiot to get fucked with. What you saying?
Das war die zweite Welle.
Yeah, them my drugs now.
Da ist der
Come on,
Westen.
man, keep
Ganz
up.
gut.
Them homeboys need to be silenced. Hey, what you waiting around for? What you waiting? Go blast them fools. Hey, over here, come on, keep up. Give me that money.
Gut, das war's.
You in my space. Okay,
Erst
the
einmal.
neighborhood's sold up now.
No sign of beat up though, dog.
Check the place over there.
Ach du Kacke.
Man.
Das geht nicht gut aus.
Hey, come on, man. I thought we was bang.
Das war ja wunderbar. Da komme ich ohne rein. Die knallen mir da davor schon ab.
Come on, man. Keep up.
Komm ich dumme, ja. Scheiße, ich bin fast tot.
Roll on that fool. Yeah, you think CJ a bitch, huh?
Suspect last seen on foot.
Da ist noch einer.
Oh, you want this to get nasty?
Say something.
Hey, nah, I ain't had no choice. I was threatened. Shit came from the boss, homie.
Pop this motherfucker, man. I'm tired of hearing this bullshit.
Nah, man, I'm sorry, dog.
Huh?
Smoke's fucking crazy. He paranoid. Just sit in the house thinking other fools want his business.
Where's Smoke?
I can't tell you
Then
that.
I'll snatch your fucking tongue out.
I ain't saying nothing, homie, because I don't know. Only his lieutenants know where he at.
I'd have wet your shirt anyway.
Bear! Hey, Bear, get the fuck out here.
What's up, your lordship?
Kill these motherfuckers, and I'll give you a whole quarter sack. Now handle that. Shoot him. The fuck is wrong with you? You ain't hear what the fuck I said?
I'm tired
Bear,
of
what the
smoking.
fuck you doing?
I'm tired
Come
of
on,
crack,
man.
and I'm tired of doing your fucking housework.
Oh, shit!
I'm free!
Man, what the fuck you do that for, man?
CJ, man, come on, put me back on the team. Give me 20 bucks and I'm all yours, man. Blast from the past.
Hey, let's take a ride, homie. I'ma shoot you somewhere you gonna enjoy.
I got Bear's back, man.
Alright, I'll see you in a minute, Bear.
Where we going, sweet?
Someplace we can get old Bear back.
Alright, I'm down for that.
Wo ist denn jetzt? Haut's bloß ab, Alter. So, das hätten wir auch schon mal geklärt. Und jetzt gehen wir müssen jetzt uns erst einmal heilen. So schaut aus. Und wir holen uns gleich wieder Westen.